Here we have a new 2025 Hyundai Palisade. This one comes in the Calligraphy Night Edition all-wheel drive trim level. This color is hyper white, black interior. For the powertrain, we get a 3.8 liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, and that's mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission. But as we come around to the front end here, love the Night Edition. We get the nice blacked out grille, LED headlamps along with LED daytime running lights. And just a beautiful, beautiful front fascia here. Looks kind of menacing at the same time too, that's why I like it. Now down here, these are gonna be 20-inch dark alloy wheels. And I just like how that pairs with the black accents, the grille. Passive keyless entry on the front. Now we do have one-touch up and down windows on all 4 doors, power door lock controls, power mirrors, electronic child lock and rear window locks, memory seat function, blind spot monitors in the side mirrors there. And then we do get the premium Harman Kardon sound system. I have a demo of what that system sounds like. I have a short that I'm gonna be posting, so just keep an eye out for that. Then over here, we can activate the tow mode, power lift gate, electronic parking brake, hood release. We get a manual tilt telescoping steering wheel. And then here we have our power driver seat with 4-way power lumbar support. We also have power thigh support. And then we have the ergo seat function there, where it just kind of pumps the seat bottom up and down. But I want to give a big thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this Palisade today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now I do have the seat up front adjusted for someone of my size, being 6'3" with longer legs, so sitting behind myself, decent space here, seat back pockets on both sides. You get 3-stage heated and cooled second row seats, which is always fantastic. And then we have our rear AC controls here, which we can set that to auto if you want to do that. 12 volt, 3-prong household plug-in there. 2 USB-C charge ports on the sides of the seats. And there's a view of the front from back here. We do get the dual pane sunroof, so manual sunshade there, electric sunshade there. But I love the like suede, whatever this is feels better than $120,000 Escalade in my opinion. This is really soft, really just comfortable to feel with your hands. I don't know if it's as expensive material, but it feels nicer in my opinion. Now over here, third row, you get a USB-C charge port, heated seat, 3-stage toggle there, and then you also can adjust that seat back if you want to as well to recline it. And again, that's on either side there. But let's make our way towards the back. And the reason I feel like these are one of the best things you can buy, especially if you get a lifetime warranty on it, is you get all the features that you could want on any vehicle. And again, even $100 and whatever thousand Escalade doesn't have heated and cooled rear seats, let alone heated third row seats, LED tail lamps. But like I'm always saying, like Hyundai, I feel like they just do things just to outdo everybody else, to do something that no one else has done. And that's pretty much what they've done with this Palisade here. So you get a power third row, so you can fold that seat up or down there. And there you have the anchors, the tethers on the back of the seat there. Little storage underneath here. There's the jack if you ever need that. Interesting. But subwoofer here, and again, all of your controls for the third row. You can even tumble the second row there. 12 volt. Rear passenger seat, you can just kind of fold it in the floor if you want to there. And then there's a bar underneath to actually scoot the seat all the way back. So I just like how everything makes sense in this vehicle. And it's just really, really practical, especially for the money if you want to get the top of the line of everything with all-wheel drive. Front passenger seat, two-way power lumbar support. And then we have our power controls down here. And then you get a USB-C port for charging, 12 volt there, little storage compartment. Here's the glove compartment. Oh, the window stickers here. Let's take a look at that real quick. Y'all can pause anywhere you need to if you want to take a closer look at anything, but sticker price is $56,955. Fuel economy numbers there. Parts content info there. But coming back around to the front, take a quick look in the engine bay. There's that 3.8 liter V6, mostly covered up. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. Nice leather wrap steering wheel here. There's a horn sound. Over here, navigation screen. Type in destinations there. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, still wired in the Palisade here, but it is what it is. And then for radio, we do get AM, FM, XM, and we can go through the bands there. Rear climate controls, and the front climate there, we can adjust temperature, fan direction, sync, and all that there. Then you have the rest of the controls down below, which I'll show you in a minute. And then in your vehicle settings, you can adjust your driver assistance, your drive modes, heads-up display, and all that. And then your general settings down here. Adjust your language there if you need to do that. And then units of measurement right down there below. Backup cameras here. Guidelines follow you. You turn the steering wheel. You also get the bird's eye view over here. View is pretty good, I think, in the backup camera. Front camera here, again, the view is pretty nice in my opinion. And down here, hazards, shortcuts for the radio, nav, custom setup, volume knob there. You can click that to turn the audio off. Then you have that tune knob over here. And then for your controls of the climate control, again, you can adjust that here on the fly as opposed to having to use a screen. But all of this is touch, which I really like. And it makes sense. I thought I was gonna get lost in the rear, but you can just go to the front or turn it off here, go back to the front, and then you have the rear cut off and then the front still going. So everything just makes a lot of sense here, and it's really nice. Love the picture and all of that. Now over here, you get your 3-stage heated cool front seats, your heated steering wheel toggle, drive modes, get 5 modes, and then the center differential lock there. Automatic brake hold, auto stop toggle, downhill brake control. And then for the shifter, press, it's just all push buttons. So park, reverse, neutral, drive. And then in the, where the typical shifter would be, down here you have a wireless charging pad, a USB-A port, bottle holders there. Nice light there to make it easier to see at night. And then in here, center console cubby space, you get a 12 volt, and then that's a USB-C in there. So I like how, again, how practical this is. You have a USB-A and a USB-C. You just kind of have to remember where they are. Garage door transmitter here. Rear camera mirror. Gonna open up the sunshades here. So that's what it looks like with the skylight. And then we're gonna one-touch slide this back. And there you have it there. The vanity mirror there. And then we do have paddle shifters if you want to use those while in drive. Blinkers. And then of course you get the side view mirror for your blind spot when you're using the blinkers. High beams. And then over here you have your automatic wipers, one-time off, auto low, high. You can adjust that auto sensitivity there. Your rear wiper here. Push back for that fluid, pull up for the front fluid. And then Hit this mode button to go through the audio sources, and you can toggle which ones you want to come up when you push that button. Custom button here, phone button, voice recognition, volume up, down, mute there. Then you can go through your track list or radio station presets. Now over here, close that up. Smart cruise, you can turn that on or off, adjust the speed, pause, resume, lane centering assistant, and then the gap adjust for that. This goes through your sub menus in that middle part of the gauge cluster. And then when applicable, we can use this as a scroll bar, depending on what menu we're in. And the heads up display, it's kind of hard to see because of that white car in front of me, but there it is down there. Push button start. Finally, here's the key fob with remote start, and then we have the basically the summon feature where you can pull the vehicle forward and back from a parking spot if it's too tight to get in there. But next, let's go ahead and take this 2025 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy Night Edition all-wheel drive out on the road for a test drive. So starting the test drive in this Palisade here, the V6 is relatively strong even in the normal drive mode. Now you can change it to Eco, Sport, and all of that, or use a Smart mode, which pretty much is based on your throttle response, how far you push the pedal down. It kind of gives you the power output you're wanting. But comfort does it pretty well, I think, just because you have a V6 here. So it's relatively powerful while not being too much, if that makes sense. But I mean, so far the ride quality is pretty good. It's pretty impressive just how it's riding based on the wheels, the tires, and all of that. And very easy to drive, even with the lane centering assist on. It's not fighting me as much as I'd expect, at least not right now. Now again, even in comfort mode, power output is pretty nice, but I'm gonna put it into sport mode as we get ready to take her out on the interstate. Give myself a little space here, and then I'm going to give it a pull. Here we go. So just with the shifts and everything, the gears here are relatively long, so it didn't seem like it was actually doing too much, but it really was just basically 2 shifts and it was good to go. But let's go ahead and crank this up a little bit. Smart cruise is going, and then we also have the lane centering here. So a very nice, subtle ride here. Not having to touch the gas, brake. You want to keep your hands on the steering wheel, but you can see I can go a little bit without doing that. But I mean, it's so comfortable in here. On top of having that ergo seat, heated cooled seat, heated steering wheel, you really get all the comfort that you could want out of an SUV like this, specifically for this price point. That's what's still crazy about this in 2025, is the Palisade has all of these luxury features, that you can't find in six-figure SUVs. Now I want to give one more thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this Palisade today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find something closer to home, you want to make sure you pay that best possible price, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll get that started for you. Now, final thoughts on this. Again, for the money, I think you can't beat it, especially if there are a lot of things that you don't really care about. Like, the power is decent, but it's not necessarily the fastest thing you can get. A solid V6, and the interior is super nice, but it obviously doesn't feel like the inside of a G-Wagon or something like that. But I feel like with this here, from a practical standpoint, again, you're not missing any features here. You have the ergo seat, you have the heated cool seats, you can change your drive modes, 4-way lumbar support. You have everything. So really at this point, you're just paying to have a BMW badge, a Mercedes badge, things of that nature. But honestly, you get it all with this Palisade for under $60,000. And for the money you're saving, if you're worried about the powertrain for whatever reason, go ahead and get an extended warranty and just keep getting it for the life of the vehicle, you know? But again, just from my standpoint, no complaints here. Great SUV in terms of what you get for the money. And this will bring me to the end of the review of the 2025 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy Night Edition.